Hi Suhani, how are you doing today?
Good.
Hi Sienna. No bye bye yet. What are we doing today?
We're going to do a science experiment. We're going to put water in this cup and this cup and this cup.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're going to make colors in there. This one and this one, and then she will put this one and this one.
Oh, nice
So
blue
you have
color.
to put water in these three.
Okay. Okay, perfect. So let's pour some water in there now.
Oh, see ya. And can I put the full thing in there?
Try it. Okay, so what color are we putting right now?
Red. I almost moved the lid.
Okay. Should be good. More.
Now it's yellow.
One more. Good.
Yellow and red because it's not open.
Okay. Can I try? Can I help you?
Yes, please. Thank you, Mom.
Okay, let's mix it. Sia, can you mix the yellow one, please?
No. I want to mix the red.
Okay. Now, can you give it to Didi? Didi's turn. That's it, Suhani.
Okay.
Didi's turn.
See ya. Oh, this is red.
Okay, so what are we doing next now?
I'll tell you first. Okay, hi. Now we're going to put papers in there, okay? But we have to wait.
Yes.
I think it's gummy right now.
You gotta put one from yellow to this cup too, really.
Oh,
Yeah.
now it's gone.
Yeah. No, no, just leave that one. Leave that one. Yeah, leave that one.
Hey!
Suhani, that was Sia's turn. Now Sia's turn. Good job, Sienna. Yeah, you can put one in here. Yeah.
Look at this.
Look at this. The blue color is coming up, right, Sia?
Oh my, mine is going further and hers is still behind.
Look at the yellow one.
Oh my goodness.
It is amazing. So now what we're gonna do?
I don't know.
We'll have to wait. Wait till tomorrow morning. Okay? So we'll see you tomorrow morning again. And we'll see what's gonna happen with these colors. Okay, so what colors have we made here, Suhani? Look at this. This was empty, right? What color did it turn out to be?
Oh my goodness.
Red and
Red.
yellow made orange color.
And this made brown.
It's purple. What about yellow and blue? What color did it make?
Green.
Look at that, guys. This is so amazing.
Let's take the thing.
Sure. I'll give you. Wait, sweetie. It's fun to learn together. Okay, you can take those out. What color does it have?
Green and yellow.
Amazing.
Jump.
How about Sia take out the blue one?
Take out.
give her the thing first. Here you go, Sia.
Oh, Sia! I think that's gonna be brown.
Okay.
Sia, put the side. Okay, so this is orange.
Mm-hmm.
This is green. This is red. This is yellow. This is brown.
Okay.
And this is blue.
Perfect. Sia, can you tell me the colors, please?
This one.
This one is?
Blue.
Okay. What about this one?
This.
Is
Yeah.
brown. What about this one?
Yellow.
Good.
Red. Green. Orange.
Perfect. Good job, guys. Did you like this experiment?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do another one tomorrow. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. See you next time.